Yo guys, I'm Fresh Joshi back with another video. In this video, I'm gonna play Watch Dogs 2 on my brand new computer, and as you can see, I'm gonna turn the graphics as high as it can go. As high, ultra high, HDFS ultra, 100% ultra. It's everything max actually. Full shadows HDFS, I have no idea what that is. But like, yo, it's a brand new PC, right? I'm gonna play it at max graphics, okay? And it'll run sweet. Yeah, as you can see. Oh, hey.
What is happening?
Absolutely not, okay? That's not, okay, you cannot do that.
911.
Oh,
Now's not
What's
the
your
time.
emergency?
I'm out
like,
of
I
here.
don't know why Discord's missing me right now. Getting a lot of messages. Well, I can't check that unfortunately. Well, anyways, the reason why I'm not playing Watch Dogs Legion is because I actually don't have the game, and this copy of Watch Dogs 2 that I'm playing is actually from a friend too. So, oh my god. Wait a second. Man, these graphics are insane. Yo, what the fuck? Bro, no way. Yo, you seeing these graphics? My phone's ringing too. Alright. Wow, wait, these graphics are insane though. Holy shit. Okay, can I not drive this? Oh wait, I guess I can't. Looks like a old boat. Oh, that's a bummer. Well, I can drive this boat though. No, please shut up. Wow, graphics. Oh, it's lagging a bit. My game's lagging a bit. I think it's because of all of that MSAA and all that anti-aliasing that I just enabled. I think that's just too hard on the GPU. It looks really pretty this night also. Why I don't just keep it on? Holy shit! What is that? Wait, no way. Wait, I need to get in that. Yo, no way. I need to get in that boat. I need to wait. Enemy. Oh, that sucks. Well, I guess I won't get there directly. How about we get our quadcopter to go here and we gotta find out like what's going on here. Where is this enemy area exactly? So who's this person? Ratwa gang member. Also, this place belongs to a gang too. Yo, what the fuck? So this belongs to a gang. Oh man, bro, that sucks. I really wanted to get into. I, I mean, I don't wanna go. Oh shit. Okay. Yeah, I guess we'll just go back. What a life, bro. Before I had a potato PC, so I used to play on lag. Now that I have a good PC, I'm so used to the lag that I would rather play at the highest graphics just to make it look good and then experience the lag. This is I think like I don't know, is this like 25, 30 FPS? It's not very smooth, yeah. Anyways, a bit too jittery though. Okay, is this restricted area? There's a police boat here somewhere. What's the Scout X? No, I don't know what Scout X. No, I don't even know what that is. Playing this for the first time. Well, I guess it's not like, you know. No, I don't think this is restricted area. Let's park the boat and then we'll get on here. Oh shit, no, I don't need the weapon. Get out. Okay. Oh wow, look at that. This boat looks fancier than our poor boat. Oh, that sucks. Well, okay, anyways. We'll go right up here. So, oh, more people to steal from. Bro, I actually wanna hit someone though. I don't know why. Should I hit you guys? I don't don't know. I really feel like committing crimes, but there are a lot of people here. And stupid me, I put the graphics at highest because YouTube doesn't see more than 30 FPS, right? 24-30 FPS. Since it's a video sharing platform, it's gonna look the same for you guys, I guess. I'm not sure. That's why I'm playing at the highest graphics and not the highest FPS. So that it'll look pretty when I look at it later. Anyways, wait, why don't you care? Wait, they're not calling the police? Oh, wait, so they're not gonna call the police? Yo, you're not gonna call the police? Dumbass only, bro, leave him. Such people, I don't even want to talk to them. Right. Is this restricted? Bro, the hell are you? Dental. No, man. Get the hell out of here. We only talk to rich people. Okay. Oh, there's a camera right there. And ooh, motion blur. Okay, nice. What was that? Well, she's high.
No, adelante como quieras. ¿Y luego qué decimos? No, pues, ¿qué dices?
Alright, let's go up here. Oh, this looks like a.
Not going to.
Whoa. Wait a second. Wait, what place is this? I've never been
So
here
you want to
before.
see a movie?
I guess.
Yo,
You pick
wait,
this time.
Revenge of.
wait, wow. Wait, this game has interesting interiors though. Like, what is this place? I've never been here. Holy crap, bro. Exit. Restrooms outside. Administration wing. Bro, what's this? Oh, this gate? Oh, wait. Are there any more keys that I can hack? I'll just get everyone locked in. It doesn't matter though. I mean, it's just AI NPCs. I don't care about them. I might just check out the rest of the building, I guess. Hmm. The last time I played Watch Dogs 2, God, it was on my Intel Iris Xe laptop. Can't even handle. Does it ran worse than this at like 720p? Like, what the? This is running at this is running at 1440p, but then I'm like downscaling that to 1080p through the OBS capture thingy. It's because I don't want the recording size to be too large. This camera right there. Oh, look at that. It's the whole view. And that's us. But we can scan ourselves, right? Oh, I accidentally took a picture. Well, here we are. Here we are. Right, how do we get in? I mean, get out, not get in. I guess I'll jump. Oh, shoot. There's no water, like, directly. Oh, then I'll die though if I just jump down like that through here. No, I'll die. That's not something you can do. Oh, okay. There you go. That's something to our level. You can hack this. Wait, you cannot hack this. Wait, are you serious? No way. Oh, you cannot hack this. Wait, there's something nearby to hack. Wow. Right, why not hack that then? Where's the way to get down to that? I don't know. Is it on the same floor? Oh, it's down. Where? 14 meter. Okay. See where that is. Pretty sure there might be some sick. Okay, 6 meters. Where? Through here? We slide in the jumper here and then do we go? Is that what we do? Well, let's try. What? Yo, where's the thing you hack? I don't understand. Pick up. Yeah, but what do you? Oh, it's here. It's here. Well, how do I get? Okay, yeah, like this I get there, and then I go through here. Bro, what the fudge? How do I. Bro, what do I hack? I don't get it. Okay, it's here. Okay. Wait, this was. I could remote hack this or what? Key data, I got some. Key data. Well, anyways, we'll just go. Because new research keys are available. What's that? Boost. Oh, wow. Finally. Finally. Oh, wow. That was terrible. Anyways. Wait, are these hostiles?
Whatever.
No, they're not hostiles. But I guess I can't just jump, right? Hell, Doritos. So fuck it. We'll just jump. I don't care. Fine. It's a game. And get the fuck out my way, bitches. Oh wow. These are some nice ass houses and oh, those graphics are really sexy, bro. Yes, I'm so bored. I don't even know what to do other than cough, cause I have really bad cough. Like, hitting people, of course. Wait, where's the thing though? Oh, I still do have it. Dude, someone's calling me, bro. Why? Fuck you. No. Hey, you wanna call the police? Oh, that's a police boat? They didn't know? LOL. Well, who cares? I just need a. Is this an island, though? This is a.
Turned into a whole LA vibe.
Yay.
Oh yeah? Oh yeah? See you around. It's cool.
Okay, so I'ma go right in here. There's a ATM or something I can rob. There you go.
Someone's gonna steal her identity. The bank thinks it was some
No, it's not an ATM. This is a clothing shop.
Too far.
Bro, what the
Next
fuck?
time, so generous.
Oh man,
Go ahead and cry. Go cry to
e-shop.
your mama.
Okay, I don't know if there's anything better than my suit though. This cap versus. No, wait. That cap was better. Yeah. Hell, looks good. Tops. No, these are like all gangster coats. Those. No, no, no. We don't need those. We got a cool hat and we are out.
Telling me they may switch
Now. Now what do we do? No man, I gotta get some missions though. Wait, but this is an island though, right? Getting all the way there and then doing the mission. Well, I'm lazy to edit the video. So, I guess I'll stop the recording and upload another video. Wow. Sorry, guy. Well, I guess I'll stop the recording and upload another video where I sort of do the missions on this main San Francisco island. It is San Francisco though. I mean, yeah, look. There you go. It says it's San Francisco HQ and all. I don't know. Well, I guess some missions have already been done by my friend. So, yeah. Anyways, I'm not getting this sexy boat for now. Hey, the bro. Oh man, I'm getting this. Bro, what the fuck? Anyways, I guess hey, no song, no song. Alright, wow, look at all the city view. Well, anyways, I guess I will travel to the main island and yeah, I'll catch you later in another video because I don't wanna bore you seeing all that. Well, I guess this video is boring enough, so yeah, see you later.